Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of Two Awesome Dads Adventures. I'm Jody, and Jeff, the other awesome dad, is behind the camera. This is my 2014 Triumph Tiger Explorer. It came with the original windscreen, which I found provided too much wind resistance on my head and made my head bobble around and everything else. So I elected to go with the other Triumph windscreen, which has a 2¼ inch rise in it, and I thought I'd try that. Now I got this from Island Motorcycle Company, just outside of Victoria, British Columbia. That's my go-to home shop. These people are great there. I got an excellent deal on this actual Triumph Tiger windscreen. So in this episode, we're just going to show you with the 4 easy bolts how we install this, and I got a little story about the rubber grommets and how it is necessary to replace them. When you are about to install your new windscreen, make sure you also get a package of these rubber grommets, which is what your screws will screw into because it has a brass insert. So these rubber inserts actually go inside the frame right here. Just simply place them in, and then once we put the windshield on and we start to screw these in, it actually pulls the rubber grommet together, which makes it swell out, and that's what actually attaches your windscreen to the metal frame. This is what we're going to do now. So we're going to line this baby up and start putting these in. Now, something I can mention is that sometimes these rubber grommets will move. They'll spin around, so you have to be careful with that. You might have to get some needle nose pliers. In our case, they're stiff enough inside that metal frame where that doesn't have to happen. But once all 4 are just finger tight installed, then we can use our hex head number 5 with a screwdriver handle and simply tighten them up. Even finger tight to begin with, of course, and then once we do that, we're going to crisscross with tightening them up. And here, see, here's one where the rubber grommet is moving, so I'm just going to hold some pressure on it with my finger, and they're tightening up. And there's our new windscreen, 2¼ inches taller than the one I had before, and it seriously stops a lot of head buffeting and fatigue. So I really hope everyone enjoyed this simple but hopefully helpful episode on just attaching a new windscreen to your Triumph. Once again, a shout out to the guys at Island Motorcycle Company. Really appreciate their support and the good deal they were able to find for me on this one. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and hit that like button. Get your friends to too, that would be great. And we'll see you on the next episode. Thanks everybody, and see you again. Thank you everybody. Good to see you. Vote for me in the spring. Okay, bye. One of the things I would like to mention when you are replacing your windscreen is make sure you get a new set of the rubber grommets for, oh, shoot.